and to play something where professionals are going to be playing in the near future. I'm excited for anything like that. So let's go through this trip, whether we were in the Netherlands, Brussels, Germany, Luxembourg, and now France. And you're not going to find this in Paris. We're going to play in Paris, but that's not a place you play golf. Get some baguettes, get some crepes, and you get the hell out of there. I went that way. I was supposed to go up and over. In this video, we'll go through the 5 things you need to know if you're visiting France. I was fortunate enough to visit France at the southern part of the country, and I tell you what, everything about the course was great. And we're going to walk through some things I've learned along the way. I recommend taking a look at some of the other content on the channel, but until then, let's bring to you 5 rules that you need to understand before going to France. Number 1, dress code. French golf courses typically maintain traditional or strict standards for your dress code. Collar shirts, shorts, and proper golf shoes are standard at most courses around the country. I will say that it does play a major factor. You got to look the part here if you want to play the part. I was fortunate enough to play a resort type golf course, so everything was really built in there, but I'm sure they have some chip and putts where you definitely find yourself more casual going out there and playing. Well, let's take a look now as we crack on into our next rule on this list, and that is handicap certifications. Although it is not a requirement for the country like other countries within Europe, many courses within France require players to demonstrate their skills by performing an official handicap certification to them during the check-in process. Now, they often have maximum handicap limits such as 36, so keep that in mind, but allowing access to main and resort 18-hole private courses here, you're going to have to show a handicap. Now, sometimes they might just ask you for your handicap and you just give it to them. I've had that happen more times often than not. But for the nevertheless, it is a wonderful experience going out there and playing the course, so it's well worth it. Let's take a look now as we crack on in to our next rule on this list. That is, respect the private property and out of balance. Now, if you go wandering around looking for your golf ball in certain countries, you're going to find out you'll get kicked off the golf course. They run a tight shift within Germany, and here in France, they do as well. Here, courses, there are historical estates, countrysides, and protected or restricted by boundary markers that you may or may not see. Spraying into private property or ignoring the out-of-balance sticks can be seen as a very serious result and could find yourself getting kicked off the golf course that we've seen on other videos on this channel. Wow, that leaves us with just 2 more to take a look at here that you want to keep in mind when playing golf in this beautiful country. And here, as we move into the final 2, would be yield to your maintenance staff. Now, this could be kind of understandable that you're going to have to do this, but making sure that the greenskeepers and maintenance crew have enough runway for French courses. And players must pause and wait for the workers to signal before playing their shot in case they're endangering them. This is kind of understood across the board, but some places just assume that the maintenance is going to get out of the way, when that might not be the case at courses within France. Taking a look now at our final rule. Scream or shout, ball or fore. Just scream anything if you know the ball is coming their way. Safety on the course is a huge priority, and sometimes if you're not even close to them, you're going to hear people screaming for a golf ball. Now, giving a heads up to your players is not only proper etiquette, it is a must when playing these French courses, and just saying ball or something along those lines as international fore is understood. So don't keep quiet. That's it for this video. Keep a lookout for more videos to come. Here with the Parfessor, we are an independent golf channel focused on fun and affordable golf in your area. Hopefully this brings you one step closer to playing these courses. Very grateful to play the course. Looking forward to getting back to France and maybe playing the northern part of it or another part of France.
I will say, in regards to all my trip travels, it was a little stressful playing this course, but it was also the nicer of the courses I played. That's it for this video. Make sure you take a look at some of the other courses that have popped up on your screen.